If you've been wondering how to change your itch.io username, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your username quickly and easily. Just keep in mind that platform settings can change over time, so if you follow along and don't see something exactly where I mention it, look for the closest matching option in your account settings. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and account tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your itch.io account. Once you're signed in, look to the top area of the page and click on your profile icon. This is usually where you'll find your account-related options. After clicking the profile icon, a menu should appear. From that menu, go to Settings. This will take you to your account preferences, where you can control different parts of your profile. On the Settings page, select Profile. This section is where your public-facing account details are stored. Now scroll or look carefully until you find the Username section. Depending on the layout, it may be near your profile information or account details. Once you find it, click the option that says Change My Username. That's the setting you need in order to begin updating your itch.io username. After you click the Change Username option, a field should appear where you can enter your new username. Type in the username you want to use. Make sure it's spelled correctly and that it's something you'll be happy with long term, because usernames often become part of your public identity on the platform. Also remember that the username you want may already be taken, so if that happens, try a variation until you find one that's available. Once you've entered the new username, review it one more time to make sure everything looks right. Then click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies your update. After saving, your account should now reflect the new username you selected. And that's it. You've now changed your itch.io username. The process is simple once you know where to look, and it only takes a few moments from your account settings. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.